How to become a millionaire in just 6 months. Today, I want to talk to you about something that sounds almost impossible to many people. How to become a millionaire in just 6 months. I know it sounds like a dream, but remember this. Every millionaire started with an idea, a plan, and the courage to take action. The difference between the people who wish and the people who win is strategy and discipline. To make $1 million in 6 months, you need 3 main things: a smart plan, the right mindset, and fast action. You cannot rely on luck. You must rely on skill, information, and consistency. Step 1. Build your capital. Quickly. You cannot multiply 0. First, you need some starting money. This might mean taking on extra work, selling items you don't need, offering a service, or partnering with someone who can invest in you. Even $500 or $1,000 can be enough to start if you use it correctly. Step 2. Learn how money grows. Before you invest, you must understand the rules of the game. Learn about stocks, real estate, crypto, and banking tools. Understand compound interest, when your money earns profits and then those profits also earn profits. Step 3. Invest in high-growth opportunities. You cannot make $1 million in 6 months by saving in a normal bank account. You need investments that can grow fast. Stocks and ETFs in fast-growing industries, like technology, green energy, or AI. Cryptocurrency during market uptrends, but only after research and risk control. Real estate flipping. Buy undervalued properties, improve them, sell at a profit. Small business flipping. Buy small online stores or assets, grow them, sell for more. Step 4. Use leverage carefully. If you find a safe, high-return investment, you can borrow money to increase your position. Banks, investors, or peer-to-peer loans can give you extra capital. But remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. It can make you rich faster, but it can also make you lose faster. Step 5. Multiply. Don't spend the most important rule. Never take profits out too early. Every time you earn, reinvest. If you turn $1,000 into $2,000, don't spend it. Turn it into $4,000, then $8,000, and so on. Your money should always be working. Step 6. Stay focused and informed. Check the market every day. Follow news about your investments. Move fast when you see opportunities, and exit quickly if you see danger. Step 7. Network and partner. One person can make money, but a team can make millions faster. Work with people who have skills you don't. Partner with experts in trading, property, or marketing. Final words. Becoming a millionaire in 6 months is not magic. It's a mix of knowledge, risk-taking, speed, and discipline. You must be ready to work harder than anyone else, learn faster than anyone else, and act before everyone else. Money doesn't sleep, so neither should your ambition. If you believe, learn, and take bold steps, you will see your money grow faster than you ever thought possible. The journey is not easy, but the reward is life-changing.